Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you can tell by the title of this video, today I'll be showing you how to make an okra face mask. But before we do, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already, along with that notification bell. And that part is so crucial, y'all. Don't forget the bell because it will notify you every single time your girl posts a new video. And trust me, I know it has been far too long since I have posted a long form piece of content, but your girl has been consistent on YouTube Shorts. I'm talking back to back videos. Definitely check out my shorts. I'm putting y'all onto everything, okay? Skincare, hair care, DIYs, girl hacks, vlogs of my life, fun things to do in different cities, everything, y'all, and under 60 seconds. And I will say, I appreciated y'all before, but now the appreciation is just like, it's so real, because the fact that y'all are giving me more than 60 seconds of your time is just absolutely incredible, and I'm so grateful for it. I know that your time is so valuable and precious. So thank you. And I truly do apologize for taking so long to create longer form content. So I hope you stick along with the ride. I'll be sharing a lot of holistic skincare that I have been doing since the last time we spoke. By the way, I turned 30, y'all. I know, I'm 30. I'm in a whole new era, and I personally love it, even though no one ever believes me in real life when I say that I'm 30, which is a great thing. I'm totally okay with that. And a lot of it, I'm not gonna lie, I really do think it's because of the products that I put on my face, whether it is store-bought or homemade, y'all. So you already know, I don't gatekeep around here. And a lot of them are backed up by research, okay? If you have not seen my previous videos with aloe vera, I'm gonna link a playlist right here because that will always be my go-to natural skincare product. I love aloe vera. It's amazing for all skin types. And the last time we spoke, I was telling you guys all about okra water. And I still drink okra water to this day on a consistent basis. I love it. I genuinely think it helps contribute to a natural glow. And overall, I just feel really good and healthy and full of energy when I drink it. So that being said, I thought to myself, if I am seeing such great results by consuming okra water, it should be pretty good if I put it on topically, right? Right, so that's why we're here. We're gonna jump into the tutorial and I'll be back to show you how to apply the mask. You will need about 5 to 6 pieces of fresh okra that has been cleaned. Then you're gonna take some distilled water and let that simmer. I'm also just gonna include my fresh okra as well because I don't want this to necessarily boil. If it gets to a slight boil, that's okay, but overall we're gonna let this simmer for about 10 minutes. The goal is for your okra to get soft. Also, I'm using distilled water because it's free from impurities, no chlorine, heavy metals, or bacteria. And since the okra is quite literally soaking this in, and I will be using water in general for this mask, I want to be mindful in that area. Once your okra is soft, you want to let this cool a little bit before you place it directly into your blender. Now you can mash this with a fork if you want. It will be a little more tedious, but you can get the job done. If you do use a blender like I am, it will make your okra mask much smoother. Depending on how moist your okra is, you can definitely just blend it as is. However, you can use some distilled water to just make that blending process a lot smoother. Don't put a lot of water though. Eyeball this, and less is more. You don't want this mask to be runny. I blend for about 30 to 45 seconds. When it's done, you'll place it in a clean container and then store it in the refrigerator. I also add vitamin E as a preservative, but that step is optional. It just may not last as long as it would if you added vitamin E. This mask lasted me for about a week. As you can see, the consistency is very smooth. It should look like a paste. And just to speed through some benefits, okra has hydrating properties. It's rich in antioxidants. It brightens the complexion because it has vitamin C. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which is great if you have acne-prone skin. It reduces signs of aging because it boosts collagen. The cooling effects of okra also can help to calm and soothe irritated skin. That's just to name a few. I will leave more benefits in the description box below. So this mask is a little smoother and brighter because I ended up making 2 batches, one for myself and one for my mom. This one, I did not add any water to help blend it. I just wanted to see how it would look. So this is just straight up okra. I did make it cool a little bit before I blended it, but it was still warm and damp, okay? So you want that natural moisture to help it blend. If not, you need to add some water. And then some vitamin E to help preserve it. And this is how it looks. It's nice, bright and green and creamy. So you wanna start on clean skin, and we're just gonna go ahead and apply it. Also, it smells like okra. If you do not like how okra smells, you might not like this mask. However, it's like very subtle. It's not very strong at all. I don't even notice it, but I know if you don't like how it smells, you might notice it. If you still want to give this mask a try, you can always add an essential oil to it. I just personally avoid it because I don't mind the scent at all. And I just want to keep whatever I put on my face as simple and clean as possible. The mask should not be drippy at all. If it is, you added way too much water. And it shouldn't be too thick. It should just be a nice paste like this. And don't forget the neck. I've always been saying that, but y'all, if you are 30 and up, like me, you don't want to forget the neck, okay? Because a lot of times we tend to just put skincare on our face, and the neck is what really starts to show the age, okay? So don't forget the neck, y'all. This is how the mask looks on. I will let this dry for about 10 to 15 minutes and I'll be right back. So I'm back. This is how the mask looks dry. So let me go ahead and wash this mask off of my face. Off the bat, my skin feels so incredibly soft. Like, I don't want to keep touching my face, but it feels so soft. I do have this habit where I tend to compare a lot of my natural skincare to my favorite, which is aloe vera. So I will say it doesn't feel as hydrating as that mask does, but it does feel good. Again, my skin feels really soft. I think I see a glow, but I might be biased because I think I always see a glow, y'all. However, the benefits are so worth it, so I'm going to continue trying this. Like anything, it does take time to see real results. I will leave some of the benefits in the description box in case you're interested and want to learn more. Again, I am not a doctor, y'all, so please consult with your physician. Make sure everything is good. You know your skin better than anyone does, okay? I always recommend doing a patch test, even if it's a natural product, because you don't know how your skin will react. I'll definitely include some of the benefits of this okra mask in the description box, just so you guys have some more information on it and why you might want to try it out for yourself. And if y'all want to see me try this mask out for a week, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell, like this video if you enjoyed it, share it to a friend, save a friend, show some love in the comments, and I will send some love back to you. And y'all, I just miss you so much. It's hard to say goodbye, but I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Stay blessed.